The weather is so beautiful today.
Okay, I think that I'm going to buy one of these small beds.
My space will look more homely. The whole place is a mess.
But I don't like Donna. This one has a mirror.
I've been sleeping on the floor.
It's a complete room.
Not too lazy. Hi guys, good morning. It's Saturday morning and the weather is so beautiful. I'm supposed to have my GIP lecture later today, but the class has been postponed to tomorrow, Sunday, and it has kind of disoriented my whole day. But this morning, someone is coming to help me fix my kitchen. My kitchen hasn't been fixed since I started living here. I'm so happy that they are going to do this. When they finish fixing the kitchen, there'll be a lot of work for me to do. I'll need to rearrange the place and put things together so that at least my space will look more homely. Meanwhile, I have some literature I want to read this morning whilst I wait for the guys to come. They said they'll come at 1 p.m. I'm just going to be reading until they come. When they are done with their work, I'll then go ahead and fix everything together. See you. The work is over and I have to put the place together. The whole place is a mess. So much dust and everything is just all over the place. So I need to clean this space, pack some of my food stuff into here, and then sweep the floor. So that's what I'll be doing for the afternoon. When I finish and I'm not too tired and not too lazy, I may go out to enjoy some sunshine. See you guys.
guys, I'm done cleaning the room and the kitchen and everywhere. I've vacuumed the floor as well, and everywhere is now Zauber. It's almost 4 p.m. Now that my kitchen is fixed, the next major thing I need to do is to get myself a bed. I've been sleeping on the floor with a mattress. So I want to go to IKEA and see if I can check out on the beds, then later I'll order online. And also see whether I can find a microwave for this baby. If laziness allows me to put myself together and go out, I'll show you. If not, I'm mostly going to be indoors trying to read some more literature. I will see you guys.
Me, I don't want.
Say hi. Sehr schön. Worky. This place is so beautiful. I want to sit on the horse.
Not today, maybe some other time.
They will ask me to pay before I sit on it.
Of course, you have to pay.
Eat donut. Do you like donut?
Yes.
Maybe we can eat donut when we leave here. But I don't like donut.
What do you think?
I prefer the wraps. The donut bread is too hard for me. Let's cross. We can go.
It's on?
Yes. Finde sicher einen unserer Mitarbeiter. Wir helfen dir gerne beim IKEA-Einkauf für dein Unternehmen.
This one has a mirror. $278.
Yeah.
Alex, it's okay, man. Oh, Ricky, it's okay.
What is wrong for tomorrow?
Ah, it's two.
Yeah, it's a baby's one. Like
No, they are separate. Yes, this one is separate from this one, and the prices are even different. You see, this one is different, this one is different.
this one is on.
Which one? This one? Yeah, this one is together. But I think the price that they have is only for the frame, not with the mattress.
Yeah, maybe sure.
This bed also looks cool. This one. It's a complete room.
You are passing by there?
Come and see.
Not friendly.
Yeah. The beds are nice, but the prices are not too. Oh, I like this one.
Okay.
This bed.
I don't know.
This one.
Okay.
Looks so cool.
It looks like even. I think it's okay also for the sofa.
Yeah. I really like this bed. $299. But I don't know whether it covers the price of the mattress or it's just the bed. Weki, I think that I'm going to buy one of these small beds. One of the small beds. We are back from shopping. We went to Elbepark. I didn't know there was such a big shopping mall in Dresden. I had no idea. And there were so many things to see. I just had to hold myself like this
because I didn't want to do any unplanned expenses. So fortunately for me, I was able to get the things I needed to get. The beds were a bit too pricey for me, so I need to prepare myself before I go and get the bed. But I'm giving myself up to the end of July to be able to get a bed. The good thing is that I can get a bed and pay in installment. Today has been a long day. The people came to do the work, and then I went to IKEA with Workinesh, and I did a lot of cleaning. When we go back from IKEA, Workinesh helped me to bring the things I got. I'll show you guys later. And I heated some pepper soup and we ate together. And she went home. I'm now getting ready to go to bed. I'll take my shower, read my Bible, and then I'll sleep. I want to go to church tomorrow morning. I'm not going to be showing you my Sunday vlog. Maybe I'll just do a few TikToks, but apart from that, that'll be all. Let me know what was your favorite moment about my entire Saturday. I'm excited that my kitchen is fixed. You guys have no idea. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I don't know what it's going to be about yet, but I'm definitely going to show you guys something. I also want to let you all know that very soon we'll be going into academic work. So you guys will not be seeing like vlogs like this. You'll be seeing me do a lot of schoolwork more. I told you that we're doing this together, right? So I'll see you guys. Bye.